Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, it's my understanding that you have reached a verdict. Is that correct? And Ms. Jacobson, are you the foreperson? Would you hand the verdict to my court attendant, please? Okay, I'm ready to read the verdict. So count one, form of verdict number one. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of vehicular homicide by operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated, signed by the foreperson Julianne Jacobson. Count two, form of verdict number one. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of vehicular homicide by reckless driving, signed by the foreperson. Count three, form of verdict number one, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of vehicular homicide by drag racing, signed by the foreperson. Count four, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of serious injury by operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated, signed by the foreperson. Form of verdict, count five, form of verdict number one, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty of serious injury by reckless driving, signed by the foreperson. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, is this your verdict? Yes. Does the defense wish me to poll the jury?
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
I don't know your name, so I'm going to start back there in the corner. Sir, would you just state, or just, is this the verdict that you've reached?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Anything else then? Okay, I have, we have July 14th, 11 o'clock for sentencing. Does that work? Okay. Okay, I will enter that order. Okay, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I want to thank you for your service. I know it's been a long, almost 2 weeks, and you've been very attentive. Appreciate your time and on this matter. And I'm going to release you now, and I'm going to release you from your admonition. So that means you can speak to individuals if you wish to regarding the case. It's entirely up to you. You do not have to talk to anybody about the case. It is entirely up to you. All I ever tell jurors, if you decide that you want to speak to somebody about the case, or whether that be the press, the lawyers, or family members, whatever, just think about your other jurors sitting next to you as you're answering any questions or commenting on it, okay? So again, I want to thank you for your service, and we're going to release you. She'll take you back to the jury room for you so you can get your things, okay? Thank you very much.